In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play LEGO Batman 3 multiplayer. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Playing LEGO Batman 3 multiplayer is extremely simple. Like most LEGO games, Batman 3 offers a fun cooperative multiplayer experience. You will be able to team up with a friend and go through the story mode together. You will be able to do it all in split screen. So, to properly set up multiplayer split screen, just connect an additional controller to your console or PC. So regardless of the platform where you are playing LEGO Batman 3, you will need to connect an additional controller. The game pad or controller has to be detected, and to my knowledge, if you are playing on PC, you cannot use two keyboards. It has to be an additional controller. So once you connect the additional controller and you launch the game, you will be able to go over to story mode, and as soon as you start, what you will notice is that at the top right corner of the screen, you will be able to find this press any button, and as long as you press any button on an additional controller, the secondary player is going to connect right away. Split screen mode will start immediately, and you will be able to customize how it works. So you can either do a vertical or horizontal split. So all that you have to do is connect an additional controller to any platform, press any button on the controller after you start story mode, and you will be able to play together as you progress through the game. Each time that you save and you come back later, you will be able to progress from where you left off. So all that you have to do is connect an additional controller to any platform and you will be able to play split screen co-op. To my knowledge, this is going to be included not only in LEGO Batman 3, but also a lot of other LEGO titles. And as far as I know, they don't offer online multiplayer. So this is going to be by far the best way to do co-op. Just connect an additional controller and you will be able to do split screen in story mode. I hope I was able to help you on how to play LEGO Batman 3 multiplayer. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.